Please subscribe to our channel, and for latest update, click on the bell icon.
You live in a large home, a very big home. And you have your mommy, daddy, your brother, you. Okay. Now, who'll take care of you? Who protects you? Good. Policeman. So today we're going to write a short composition on policeman. What are the work that he does? He guards and he protects us. He takes care of our property. When any problem, we have to go to a policeman. He wears a uniform and he's the one who gets hold of criminals, robbers. Now there are two kinds of policemen. You have traffic policeman, a friendly policeman at the crossing, and he's there helping you, helping the traffic, regulate the traffic. And the other policeman works in the police station, and any complaint you have, any theft, anything, you have to go to the police station, and he helps us. We have to write a letter, file an FIR, and he helps us. So policeman is a very important person in the country, in our life, if we want to live a safe life. So we are writing a composition on the policeman. Okay? The policeman. What does the policeman do? He keeps to the law and order. So the policeman is a law enforcement officer. He's a law enforcement officer. The policeman, the policeman is a law enforcement officer. Policeman is a law enforcement officer. What does he do? He tries to ensure all laws of the land are strictly followed. What does he do? He tries to ensure, he tries, but he's not able all the time. He tries to ensure that all laws of the land, are strictly followed. Okay? So what does he do? Policeman is a law enforcement officer. He tries to ensure that all laws of the land are strictly followed. That's what the policeman does. Now, therefore, the policeman, he plays a very important role in our society. So, he plays a very important role. He plays a very important role in our society. Important role in our society. The policeman is a law enforcement officer. He tries to ensure that all laws of the land are strictly followed. He plays a very important role in our society. Next. All areas in the cities have a police station. all areas in the city. All areas in the city, all areas in the city has a police station. As a police station. Next, it is his duty to ensure that law and order is maintained in that area. So, all areas in the city has a police station. So, the policeman from there, what must he do? It is his duty to ensure that law and order are maintained in that area. So, it is his duty to ensure it is his duty to ensure that law and order is maintained in that area. Maintained in that area or in his area. So near the police station, there is a police station in every area, and it is his duty to ensure that law and order is maintained in his area. He takes care. The policeman in that police station takes care of law in that area. I told you there are two types of policemen. There is also some policemen are trained to take care of the traffic, control traffic. So we say some policemen are trained to control traffic. Control traffic. And what do we call them? Traffic policemen. Now, what is their job? They ensure they ensure and manage the traffic. Rules are followed. So, this traffic policeman, what do? Their job. What is their job? Their job is to manage traffic and ensure that all traffic rules are followed. That's the work of the traffic policeman. Some policemen are trained to control traffic. What do we call them? Traffic policemen. What do? Their job is to manage traffic and ensure that all traffic rules are followed. Now, during accidents, theft, conflict, loss, who do you contact? You contact a policeman. So, you will say during accidents, it's an accident or there's a robbery, theft. There's a robbery, theft, conflict, there's a fight in the neighborhood. Conflict time and loss. And something, you lose something and loss. What do? The policeman The policeman is the first to notify, is the first during accidents, thefts, conflicts, and loss. The policeman is the first to be informed. You have to inform the policeman first, then you have to file FIR and all sorts. Now, what kind of a person is a policeman? He's a very hard working, he has to work long hours. He is a hard working person. He has to work long hours. He has to work long hours. Then what else? Finally, what does the policeman do? He guards our lives and our property. What does he do? He guards our lives and our property. You can go on, there's a lot of work, then you can also say that he has to stand. Most of the policemen, they are standing all the time. Then when there is a natural calamities like the flood, cyclone, who is there? The first person that comes forward to help are the policemen. So there's a lot of writing you can do, but today we are doing a short composition on the policeman. The policeman is a law enforcement officer. He tries to ensure that all laws of the land are strictly followed. He plays a very important role in our society. All areas in the city has a police station. Now those policemen, what they do, it is his duty, the policeman there, his duty to ensure that law and order is maintained in his area. Now, some policemen are trained to control traffic. Their job is to manage traffic and ensure that all traffic rules are followed. Then, during accidents, thefts, conflicts, and loss, the policeman is the first to be informed. Then, he is a hard-working person. He has to work long hours. He guards our lives and our property. And you always see a policeman standing. Then you can say, in case of natural calamities like floods and storms, it is the policeman who willingly come forward to help the public. So now you know how to write something about, you can also say about his uniform. What color uniform? He's got a nice little cap. His shoes are always polished. All kinds of things you can say. Okay? So that's about the policeman.